Kingdom like Sriwijaya Kingdom and Islamic Kingdom. Majapahit Kingdom is fighting with Islamic Kingdom. Then Majapahit Kingdom lost and Islamic Kingdom won. So Majapahit Kingdom suddenly vanished. The proof is a lot of noise. Then Indonesia was so famous of the herbs and spices. The herbs and spices were very famous in Spain, Netherlands, Japan, French, and England. Types of herbs and spices are there's pepper, coriander, cinnamon, and there's star anise, clove, and cardamom. These are making Netherlands, because Netherlands is so cold, Netherlands want to go to Indonesia and buy some herbs and spices and then sell it in their own country. After they sell it, they got more greedy and they start to control Indonesia. Then he controlled Indonesia for 350 years until Japan came. Japan was way stronger back then. So that's why Japan make Netherlands scared. So that's why Netherlands go back to their own country. Japan was stronger, so he decided to control Indonesia. He's making it suffer, like making Indonesian people work without any food or even money, and then they starve to death. Because everybody heard this, everybody was mad with Japan. So the US allies to make a group. The group is for destroying Japan. Then one of them allies to bomb Japan with an atomic bomb. They throw in Hiroshima and Nagasaki, and it goes boom. Then it almost killed everybody in Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Because Japan was under control of this, that's why Japan was so scared. So they go to their own country. Before anything happened, again, Indonesia is trying to make their own country, which is Sukarno. Sukarno and friends is thinking to make their own country, and then they make their own country. Now everybody is scared of Indonesia. Why the name is Indonesia? Because it's Indo and Asia. It actually means India Island, because Indonesia is so close to India. That's why they call it Indonesia, which is India Islands. That's all for